Good afternoon, sir. Can we meet you, sir?
Good afternoon.
Can you tell us your name and your position, sir? And where you come from?
Okay, I am Prince Magnanimous Omawumi. I'm from the Itsekiri extraction of Yoruba race from Edo and Delta.
Knowing that you are in Ilé-Ifẹ this afternoon for the the National Yoruba
Unity Day.
Unity program, how do you feel about the program? What was your expectation and what was the outcome of it?
Okay, I am elated to be here. I'm most happy that I've come to meet so many dignitaries that I have never seen in life before. Privileged to meet the former governor of Ogun State, who is now a sitting senator, and so many other dignitaries. It's a rare privilege. And looking at all the programs featured, it shows that Yoruba has a very sweet culture that others need to emulate.
Can you, in a second, give us a conviction that Itsekiri is part of the Yoruba?
Yes, there's no two ways about that. Itsekiri, the makeup of Itsekiri started with 5 communities, and 4 from that 5 communities are Yoruba, from Odeomi, Elaje, Ife, and Ilorin. 1 from Igala, which settled in the present headquarters of Warri Kingdom.
Thank you. Are you in support of the Yoruba Nation we are clamoring for, knowing that we are all together in this?
Yes, every Itsekiri will always support the Yoruba Nation because we are part and parcel of the Yoruba race. Anywhere you mention Itsekiri, you mention Yoruba. Whenever Yoruba is mentioned, Itsekiri is mentioned. Our wa is wa. Soon is soon. G is to wake up. It's the same thing. My name is Omawumi. You know what Omawumi means in Yoruba. So everything about the Itsekiri is Yoruba. So we are one people. So we'll be very happy to be part of adding being there is an opportunity to even cut us off Delta and Edo State and join our Southwestern brethren. It will be a pleasure to us.
Thank you very much, sir. Your name once again?
Magnanimous Omawumi is my name. I'm a prince from Warri Kingdom.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right. God bless.